Hey you guys, this is Uncle P from superezforex, and I am showing you guys this trade. This is one of my students. We were in class yesterday, and there was a lot of you guys in there, and you remember we had discussed this trade. And so here on this one, the student who had asked, if you're just watching this and you're not a student, this is kind of what we do. We talk about these kind of setups. So yesterday I told you guys that this one was going to do this exact move. If you look at it, basically the setup had happened to encourage and induce the buyers to come in, buy, and then you guys know what session it is, because they do it almost all the time, and they end up dropping it back. And I told you guys to wait, and as you can see right here, we also talked about market structure. And it's very easy to see that this was a simple pullback to market structure, the fake move that they normally do, and then the drop. And as you can see, as soon as they did the drop, this is where I got in, right here. A clean entry, pull back, and I'm just going to hold this one for a while myself, because as you can see here, if I can catch this move like it did from the sell position, it came down, retested one more time, scared everybody out, who had no patience and had short stop losses, and to its actual touch to the bottom of the other side of the zone, that was 296 pips. Okay, 296. So I'm hoping that this thing will go ahead and blast on off eventually. It went up, did its pullback that we talked about, did its fake move during the fake session, and then it pulled it back again. I got in right here. It's kind of like this candle. I got it right when it's sitting on my entry, right? And then it's shooting up. So anyway, just explaining this trade from the class that we did yesterday. And it was such an amazing class. And I'll see you guys in a few hours in today's class. Okay? But if you're brand new and you're looking for instructions and a good mentor, just come and join us. And I'll show you how this worked out. Okay? But for everybody else, this is a textbook. We kind of knew what to expect, and we talked about this in class. So here's how you do it. And so if you had a couple of standards on here, or even one standard, you just made close to $300, $280 or something like that with one simple move. Okay, one simple move that the market makers, they use this daily move against people, but since we know what to expect now, we use it to our ability and to our profit. Okay, all right.